vegetarian is easy and delicious. There are many ways to cook eggs. Does everyone enjoy steamed eggs?
Steamed eggs have a delicate and silky texture, making them easier to digest than fried eggs. The steaming method better preserves the protein and vitamins in eggs, making it ideal for children and those with digestive sensitivities. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: soft tofu, eggs, shiitake mushrooms. Rinse the shiitake mushrooms, squeeze out excess water, slice them, and set aside. Steamed eggs with shiitake mushrooms have a rich umami flavor, as the natural savoriness of the mushrooms adds depth to the delicate egg custard. The distinct aroma of shiitake infuses perfectly into the silky egg custard, creating a tender and savory bite. Beat some eggs. Whisking the eggs thoroughly ensures the yolk and white blend completely, resulting in a smoother, more uniform texture. Proper whisking incorporates air, making the steamed eggs fluffier and preventing a rubbery or lumpy consistency. Traditional measuring method: just use half an eggshell as scoop, 1 egg plus 2 shells of warm water. Simple yet precise. Remove the silken tofu from its package directly onto a plate, then gently cut into cubes and set aside. Silken tofu steamed egg delivers dual silkiness. The tofu's creamy density contrasts with the egg's jiggly pudding-like texture, creating harmonious layers. The combination of plant-based tofu and animal-based egg proteins boosts nutrient absorption to 92% versus 87% for plain steamed eggs, with doubled calcium content. Tofu's mildness neutralizes eggy odor while eggs enhance tofu's blandness, with synergistic umami from glutamic and aspartic acids. Actually, sieving the egg mixture does make steamed eggs smoother, but I've stopped doing it because my steamer works so well. Even without sieving, my eggs turn out perfectly bubble-free and silky every time, so I just skip that step now. Just layer the sliced shiitake mushrooms over the egg mixture, then drizzle a little sesame oil on top for extra fragrance. When using a steam oven, 10 minutes is ideal for perfect custard. The surface should be mirror smooth and the center slightly jiggly when removed. Timing varies, with your container. Shallow dishes need about 9 minutes, deep bowls 11 minutes. Always tweak it depending on your steamer and the plate you use. For the perfect finish, add a splash of soy sauce and a sprinkle of golden fried shallots. The combo makes it look gorgeous and tastes even more amazing. Silken tofu melts like mousse, custard jiggles like pudding, and crispy shallots add airy crunch. Shiitake's guanylate and soy sauce's glutamate create 8x flavor synergy. The ultimate bite: each spoonful layers silky custard, creamy tofu, and crispy shallots. Add fried shallots 30 seconds before serving for maximum crispness. Tofu packs soy isoflavones, natural phytoestrogens that boost collagen production, plumping skin for a dewy, bouncy glow without makeup. With 8 grams premium protein and calcium per 100 grams, tofu acts like spreadable bone broth, strengthens nails and hair shafts, even reducing split ends. Its linoleic acid omega-6 works as a built-in humectant, locking in moisture for 12 hours. Bye-bye seasonal flakiness. Fun fact: tofu's manganese activates antioxidant enzymes. 1 serving equals 30 mins of green tea mask. I have just started to be vegan for a few months. I have also been trying to learn simple vegetarian recipes. I found that vegetarian food is not only healthy and delicious, but also very easy to make. If you are a vegan beginner like me, let's learn to cook vegetarian food together. I'm an ovo-lacto vegetarian, no meat but eats eggs, dairy. Friends who avoid alliums like garlic, onion. Adjust seasonings to your preference. The most important thing is enjoying the meal together. When dining with fellow vegetarians, communicate dietary restrictions in advance for both delicious food and mutual respect. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For OVO-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.